back to my channel. It's your girl LTZ back today with another mukbang. So today on menu we have some good old Domino's pizza and chicken. Oh, I was a little out of the frame, huh? But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Turn your post notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a video, and give me a big old thumbs up for this video. And I forgot to say, if you're new here, hey, welcome. It's me, LT. If you're returning, what's up, what it do? You already know what it is. We about to dig in, but first things first, we have to do a prayer, a thumbnail, and then we're gonna bite one, bite two, get it in. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whatever. Anyways. Alright, y'all. So that's out the way. So for the pizza, we have a medium thin crust barbecue. It's honey sweet barbecue sauce, bacon and chicken. And then over here we have, I guess I can pull it up. We have some chicken wings, boneless. They're the jalapeno and cheddar one. That's that. And let's get the pizza. Thin crust, baby. Whoa. Thin crust, baby. And they forgot my ranch, so I had to get something out of the refrigerator, and it's not the ranch I wanted. I paid for it. Where is it? Okay, so let's get into the first bite. Like, plain. That's the first bite there. Yum, yum, yum. Mm-hmm. That's it. Now, they could have put a little extra sauce on it, but this is it. And for the drink, I have my water. I really wish I had some jalapeno peppers, because baby, that would have set it off. That would have set it off. Okay, put a little ranch over there in the corner. Let's try this chicken. Oh, it has pineapples on it too. I'm sorry about the light, y'all. The lights, it's not giving what it should give. It's all right. I need a couple more bites first. Y'all, working at Pizza Hut. I used to work at Pizza Hut in college. It opened my eyes to a whole new horizon of pizza. I got a whole new one. Okay, so this one has a jalapeno on it, so let's try that one. I pass. I'm still eat it, but I pass on it. Like, I won't get it again. So, one, sorry if my head is cut off. Two, I go ahead and put some on this one. I had worked at Pizza Hut in college, right? So I was in West Texas attending college, right? And I wanted some extra money, you know what I'm saying, when I go shopping, food, all that. Broke college problems, okay? So, because I was doing this while I was playing basketball. Y'all, first off, it's called student athlete. So, full-time student, full-time athlete, and then a part-time job. Baby. And I didn't need it. I just wanted it. I wanted more money. So, out there, their Pizza Hut is like a buffet. You may be too young to know this, but Pizza Hut used to be a buffet, like all locations. And every Wednesday night and Sunday morning would be the buffet times. And we'll just have it's like CC's. It's exactly like CC, but better because it's Pizza Hut. Yeah, I tried so many different pizzas. Put combinations together. We were trying all kinds of stuff. And it came out bomb. This is where I learned about thin pizza, thin crust. I didn't know nothing about it at first. I was always like, why would people want to eat thin crust pizza? Girl, don't knock it till you try it. Because, baby, the crunch and the crumbs, I'm sorry. The crunch and the crispiness on a pizza is everything. Let's see if I can. I thought that was gonna work. It didn't work. The light too bright. Hopefully I got to see a little something though. Pineapples do go on pizza. I wish I had some. This would be a barbecue Hawaiian pizza. The bomb. I'm about it. Okay, y'all. Happy Friday. We made it to the end of the week. It's finally the weekend. It's finally time to turn up. So, your girl done stepped out of her comfort zone. Your girl done stepped out of her shell. Let me tell you something. Me, little old me, decided to do the y'all don't know how to say the word. I'm gonna put it right here because I really don't know how to say it. What I say is the still a hoe challenge. Yes. And I know it's not still. I know it's not still a hoe. Like, yo, you did that still a hoe challenge? That what? That's still a hoe. Still a hoe challenge. You know where it go from, and then it's red. That one, girl. Still a hoe. I think it's like still a not gonna try. Anyway, excuse me. Anyways, I did that challenge, y'all, and let me tell you. Something. Let me tell you something. Let's talk for a little bit. So, that challenge was completely out of my comfort zone. There's another side of me that I don't show people. A side of me that I always want to bring out, but I'd be scared to bring out. So you know me, I don't front, I don't stunt. I cared about people's opinions, right? And when I say cared, I mean like recently, like I'm just now. How can I say this? I'm embracing my confidence. I'm embracing not caring about other people's opinions. Because for what? Their opinion's gonna do what to me? Nothing. Nothing. Words can't hurt me. Not at all. You can say what you want to say. You can feel how you want to feel. But at the end of the day, as long as Laterica is happy, that's all that matters. So, I'm working and I'm building on myself, right? Uh-oh. I said stepping all 2021 for Laterica. I'm stepping this year. I've been so bottled up, keeping my personality in. But the more comfortable I become, the more confident I become. Not comfortable, the more confident I become, the more it comes out. And I love every bit of it. I love myself. Love yourself. Because, baby, ain't nobody on this earth gonna love you more than you love yourself. Trust and believe that. Trust and believe that. But anyways, so when I posted the video, I instantly had anxiety. I had bad anxiety, okay? So I was anxious. I was like, oh my goodness, like, this is a whole new side. This is a different side. Like, I've never posted anything like this before. Oh my goodness. And then after like 30 minutes, I finally calmed down. Because it was just a simple fact of I'd never done something like this before. So it just gave me anxiety. That's all. So after 30 minutes passed and the anxiety was gone, baby, y'all been in the camera ever since. Like, I've been in the camera doing videos, taking pictures. Like, it was just a new, I don't know, it was just a new feeling of confidence that I have. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just ready to just explode with it. You hear me? Like, it's glowing on me. I just want you to look at me and be like, hey, she got a lot of confidence. Yes. Yes, I do. I do. And it took a long time to get here. A long journey to get here, but I'm here and I have it. That's what I can't wait to say, because I'm still working. I'm still working on it. But I just know once it's 100% there, baby, you ain't gonna be able to tell me this, that, third, second, fourth, fifth. You ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, okay? But I'll tell you one thing. 2021, so far so good. I'm enjoying it, okay? I meditate more. I'm sorry, y'all. I know I'm talking about myself a lot, but I'm just like, I'm just extremely happy. That's all. Extremely happy. But anyways, enough of me. What are your weekend plans? What are y'all doing this weekend? Anything fun and exciting? I'm not doing nothing. Watch the game. I was supposed to go to a Super Bowl party, but I don't think it's happening. So, I'll probably be at home watching the game. Probably get on the grill. Your girl been wanting some boudin. So I may throw some of that on there. Some ribs. Super Bowl Sunday, baby. You know that's where the best food come out at. You know what I'm saying? Woo! I think I did pretty good, huh? But I'm about to head on out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, would you please give me a big old thumbs up for this video? If you didn't enjoy it, don't give me a thumbs down. Just move on to the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't leave without subscribing. I keep telling y'all that every day. Don't leave without subscribing. Thank you. I appreciate y'all. I seen you do it. I did. Did I tell y'all turn your post notification bell? Because if I didn't, make sure you turn it on so you be notified when I drop a video. And it's me, LT. I love you. And I'm out. Peace.